In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to Alipay. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to check, and how to avoid common hiccups so your money arrives smoothly in China. First, open Wise on the web or in the mobile app and log into your account. Make sure you're using the official Wise site or app and that your connection is secure. You don't need anything complicated here, just access to your Wise profile and the recipient's correct Alipay-linked details. Next, start a new transfer and choose the payout method that specifically sends to Alipay. Depending on your region, it may read as Send to Alipay or a similar option. You'll be sending to China in CNY, so selecting the Alipay option ensures the funds land directly in the recipient's Alipay balance. Enter the amount you want to send in your own currency. Wise will instantly show you the exchange rate to CNY, the fee, and the exact amount your recipient will receive. This rate is the real, market-based rate, and the fee is shown up front so you can decide if everything looks right before you proceed. You'll also see an estimated delivery time, which is helpful for setting expectations. Now provide the recipient's Alipay-linked details. This typically includes their full name exactly as it appears on their Chinese ID and the Alipay account information requested on screen. Accuracy matters here. Names must match character for character, and any mismatch can lead to delays or a failed transfer. It's a good idea to confirm the details directly with the recipient before you submit, especially if they use characters or spellings that are easy to mistype. The recipient also needs to meet Alipay's identity requirements. If their Alipay account isn't fully verified, the transfer may not complete. Review everything carefully, then confirm and send. Take a moment to double-check the amount, the exchange rate and fee, and the recipient's name and account information. When you're happy with it, submit the transfer. Wise will convert your money and deliver it to Alipay. In many cases, successful transfers arrive very quickly, often in seconds. Occasionally, security checks or local processing times can extend the delivery window, but you can track progress in your Wise app or on the website. Your recipient should see the funds reflected in their Alipay shortly after it's delivered. That's it. Log in, pick Send to Alipay, enter the amount, add accurate recipient details, confirm, and let Wise handle the conversion and delivery.